Hello and welcome to Pirton Classic Car Show 2021. This is Carloop TV, here to give you a whistle-stop tour of some of the cars that stood out for me. There was a couple of cars there that I haven't seen before and left me a little baffled, namely one very bright coloured Lotus, which I definitely had to do some more research on. If you see any cars that stand out in particular to you, let's have a conversation in the comments below. Luckily, even though the weather looked a bit dodgy, we did avoid getting wet. Unfortunately, it was quite windy. This 1968 Lamborghini Miura made an appearance at the show. I was told by the owner, fresh from an extensive restoration. Such a beautiful, elegant, gleaming red supercar. On closer inspection, I can tell you it appeared absolutely pristine, showroom condition. The owner of this Lamborghini, who recently appeared on Johnny Smith's Late Break show, was keen to talk to everyone and impart his knowledge about this incredible car. Very friendly guy. I remember years ago, I was probably about 10 years old, a neighbour had the exact same Ferrari 328 GTS. After badgering him, he agreed to take me for a blast through the countryside, an amazing memory and my first Ferrari joyride. Here is that Lotus I mentioned earlier. After researching what it was, my first thought was it must be a Europa due to the shape. I was in part correct. After being directed to a magazine featuring this car back in 1977, it stated that these cars were built by a company called GS Cars, who customised Lotus Europas for the cost of £2,950 and upwards, depending on the spec, with this new body style. car that grabbed a lot of people's attention was this 1951 Jaguar C-Type recreation. Testifying to the accuracy of the build, this C-Type has a full FIA certification, making it eligible to participate in any historic race event until 2025. Another car that excited me was this Lancia Delta, I guess Evo 2. I used to love my one years ago and wish I'd never sold it. Obviously it's a homologation rally special, function over form, but for me it's all about those fat arches which got wider and wider over the years of rally development. Here's my buddy making an appearance in his BMW M6, parking up next to my M3. Must be time to have a look around the show, and remember guys, if you see anything you want to talk about, message me in the comments. Here's my neighbour Jeff's little Austin 7. This Corvette C1 was so pretty, sitting very low, interestingly with side pipes and a centre exit exhaust. I can only guess he had some exhaust cutout system in place. There was quite a few Lotuses at the show. Here's a Lotus Cortina. That's all folks, I hope you enjoyed the coverage. Please browse the Carlube TV channel for more of the same. In this episode, we are at Windsor Castle for a Ferrari organised event to celebrate Ferrari's 70-year anniversary, organised by Maranello Sales. Hello and welcome to the H-Town Classic and Dub Club once again. This had to be the best month's meet I've experienced so far, with some truly amazing vehicles on display.